Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can enable or disable the search highlights on your search bar in your Windows. So if I click on the search bar, this will show the search highlights of yours right here in the right pane. Now, in my case, I have just disabled the search highlights. But if in your case, if you have searched for something in the Windows search bar, the content suggestions or the search highlights will appear right here at the right pane if you have enabled that. But if in your case, if you want to disable that, then let's go quick into the process. So again, click on the search bar or the Windows search bar. You have this three dots options. Click on that. Click on search settings. Or you can just directly search for settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it. Then you have to click on privacy and security. Then simply look for Windows permissions and click on search permissions. Then scroll down and you'll find more settings, show search highlights, see content suggestions on the search box and its search home. So if you want to simply enable the search highlights or to see the content suggestions in the search box and in the search home, then you just have to simply enable this button or switch the button on. Then, once you are going to click on the Windows search bar, then the content suggestions or the search highlights will appear right here in the right pane. However, if you don't want that or you just want to disable the search highlights, then again, you have to go back to settings, click on privacy and security on the left pane. Then under Windows permissions, you have to click on search permissions and then scroll down to the bottom and you'll find more settings, show search highlights. Just simply switch the button off or turn the button off. Now once done, close this. So that's it. That is how you can easily enable or disable the search highlights on your Windows for the search home and the search bar. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.